another glam tutorial. Guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad you joined today. I have something in store for you guys. All right, I did this recreation of clay makeup. A little like sunset type theme is what I was kind of going for. This is something fun, something cute. If you want to step out your comfort zone, definitely with the bold lips, it's all there. But anyway, I just wanted to show you guys because I did it just for you. Of course, you know I love you guys. Y'all got, wait. We got 900 views on Instagram. We're gonna get right into this tutorial now. Sure, we gonna. Okay, so y'all know I usually go in with a beauty blender. However, I'm gonna go in with a brush today to blend up my concealer. What you thinking? Next, I'm going to use the NYX Avant Pop palette going into the yellow to set the base, and then I'm going to use my Morphe 350 palette with this orange to create a base for the transitions. Taking the same Morphe 350 palette, I'm going to use the red right below just to basically build up the transition shades. And I don't know what I was listening to, but it must have been good because I was in my zone. But anyway, we're going to use this Modern Renaissance palette, and I'm going to use the red just to build. Again, you got to keep building the transitions. Then I'm going into the Element of Surprise, and then I'm going to use a darker shade. Again, building the transitions. That's the key word for this tutorial. Build, baby. Now to make the cut crease pop, I'm going to use these darker shades from the Morphe 350 palette. Again, still using the same palette. However, you just use it to smoke it out. But then I'm going to use this lighter concealer, Porcelain from NYX, to cut my crease. Another tip I would recommend to you guys is to make sure that your cut crease is dry before you pack shadows on. I'm going back into the same palette using that orange that I used from earlier. And then I'm going to go back into the NYX Avant Pop palette using that same black. Okay, so after I place this orange here just to brighten it up some, I'm going to go into the NYX Avant Pop palette again to use the yellow, and then I'm making sure that I'm not putting it at the top of the cut crease because we're creating an illusion like it's fading. Then going in my NYX Glitter Prime and my NYX Glitter, I'm just going to use this to put at the top of my cut crease just to set it off because y'all, this looks popping, alright? Then going in with my L'Oreal N65 foundation, I'm just going to use this to finish the look, and then I'm going to use the LA Girl Pro Concealer to make the high points of my face pop. They got me looking at you, watching the way you wind it and pop it. One more time, go wind and pop it. Once I have this coverage down, I'm gonna go use my Sacha Buttercup powder because you know I let it bake here. Anyway, yo, I just realized how scary I look with baking powder. Nah, it's not even cute. It's not even funny. But then I'm gonna use my More Better matte lip from ColourPop, and yeah, that's gonna finish this look. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe, and tell me what you want for the next video. See y'all.
Drive so long, I need a gate now. 40 acres, 40 miles outside LA now. It's like I'm Drake now. My shit is way